guys, today we are going to see a macro state. So how to calculate the macro state? The formula is the number of macro state, that is a n factorial upon r factorial and n minus r factorial. So this is a formula for calculating a number of macro state. So here we can write that is a n is a maximum number of electron that can be filled in subshell. So we write a n is a maximum number of electron that can filled in subshell. So an R is number of given electron. So let's take an example. We solve for a P1. So we can write this is your question, that is P1, number of macro state, that is n factorial upon r factorial and n minus r factorial. N is the maximum number of electron that can be filled in subshell. So in P, the maximum electron that can be filled, that is a 6. So we write a 6 factorial, and R is a given number of electrons, so that is a 1 electron, so that is given in the P1. So we write a 1 factorial, that is 6, and 6 minus 1 factorial. So we write as a this 6 factorial upon this is a 1 factorial and into this is a 5 factorial. So we calculate that as 6 into 5 factorial, that is 1 into 5 factorial. So we cancel that 5 factorial. So we cancel this 5 factorial, 5 factorial. So we get answer as a 6. So number of macro state for this P1 is 6. So now we move for a next example. When we calculate for a P3, number of macro state, the formula is n factorial upon r factorial and n minus r factorial. So maximum number of electron filled in P, that is a 6. So 6 factorial upon r is a given number of electron, we had that is given, and that is 3. So we write a 3 factorial, and n is 6 minus 3, that is a factorial. When we calculate, so we write this 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and by 6 minus 3 is that is a multiply, that is a 3 factorial. So when we solve, so this 6 factorial we can write as a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by this 3 into 2 into 1, that is into 3 factorial. Okay. So we can cut this 3 factorial cut, cancel each other. This is, see this 3 to the 6, we cancel this and this 6. The remaining that we got a 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. So for number of macro state for P3, that is a 20. Like this we can calculate for a P6. So when you calculate for a P6, so we calculate for P6, so there is the number of macro state. So same formula we use, that is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. So we solve this. This is a 6 factorial, and r is also is this 6 factorial, because n is a maximum field in the p orbital, p subshell. So 6 and the r is given, that is the 6, and this when you see n is a 6 minus 6 factorial, so we get that as a 6 factorial by 6 factorial, and this 6 minus 6 is, that is a into 0 factorial. So we know that 0 factorial is 1, so 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 1, so we get as a 1 answer, because this 6 factorial and this factorial cancel, so we get a 1 answer. That's why for S2 or P6 or D10, this all subshell are filled. So for this there will be a number of macrostate will be a only 1. Okay, now let's move next example. So when you can solve for a D4, number of macrostate, n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. So for D, n is the maximum number of electron, that is a 10 factorial, r is given, that is given number of electron, that is 4, and 10 minus 4 factorial, so we write as a 10 factorial upon 4 factorial into a 6 factorial. So we can write this as a 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into a 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay. So when we solve this, that is 6 factorial cancel. We write as a 9 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by this 4 factorial, we can write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now you can see this 4 into 2, that is 8, so we cancel this 8 above, this 3 ones are, and this 9 which go as a 3, so we got as a 10 into 3 into 7, so 7 3s are 21 into 10, that is 2 1 10. So for D4 we get a 2 1 10 number of macrostate. Okay, like this when you can calculate for a S1 number of macrostate, that is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. There is n is a maximum number of electron in S or in F subshell is 2, that is 2 factorial, given electron it is 1 factorial and 2 minus 1 factorial. When you solve this 2 factorial, we can write as a 2 into 1, 1 factorial is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. When you solve this, you get a answer 2. So for S1 there is a number of states, that is 2. Okay, now move next example. Suppose in the exam they ask, that is calculate the number of macrostate for S1 and P1. So we use the same formula, number of macrostate, it is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, and this multiply by n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. This is for S1 and this is for P1, because you can see that is S1 and P1, so it is a multiplication. So I have here run a multiplication. So for S1 we calculate, that is a 2 factorial upon 1 factorial and 2 minus 1 factorial. Multiply, here the 6 factorial, 1 factorial and 6 minus 1 factorial. So when we calculate this, we get 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 1. This multiply, this 6 into 5 factorial we write, and here 1 into, we get this is a 5 factorial. Okay. Now as you can see, this 5 factorial cancel. So we get that this is 2. Multiply, when you solve this, you get a 2, and when you solve this, you get a 2 into, that is 6. So when you multiply 2 into 6, that is a 12. So number of macrostate for S1 and P1, that is a 12. Like this you can solve one more problem. So next, move to a next slide. We solve next one, that is a P1 and D1. So number of microstate, that is a formula is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Multiply, this is for P1, this is for P1, and this is for a D1, n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so here we write a 6 factorial upon 1 factorial and 6 minus 1 factorial. Multiply 10 factorial upon 1 factorial, this is 10 minus 1 factorial. So here we get a 6, we write a 6 into 5 factorial divided by, this is 1 into a 5 factorial. So multiply, here is a 10 into 9 factorial, we write as a 1 into a, this 1 factorial is 1, this 10 minus 1 is, that is a 9 factorial. So this 5 factorial cancel, this 9 factorial cancel. So we get a here 6, and we multiply, we get this here 10. So we get a answer is a 60. Number of macrostate for a P1 and D1 is 60. Okay. Like this you can solve any problem for calculating a number of macrostate. So thank you.